And with this stuff, I created the colorful part of my today's look. First, I removed my brows using glue stick and a little bit set it with powder. Unfortunately, I haven't filmed the whole process, but you'll see almost everything. And at the end of this video, I have for you my best SFX products that I already tried, and maybe you'll give me some inspiration. I'm using white or nude pencil to kind of sketch my face. I don't use black one if I'm not sure of what I'm doing, because like nude or white is easier covered and you can change everything if you don't like something. Well, for this look, I've decided to make it a little bit like dramatic, add some heart shapes, add skull parts. Like every zombie has skull parts, but I wanted it to be like a little bit more feminine. Don't really think like anatomy or biology teachers will be really proud of this one, but I kinda like it. And while I'm sketching all this stuff on my body, I think it's perfect time to say hi, my name's Rina, and you're really welcome to this channel where I create makeup looks, SFX looks, talk about life, because beauty starts from yourself, it starts from your inner side, and I'm into becoming the better human, so if you are into this vibe, you're really welcome to stay. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, because it really helps me to grow and make better things. Well, we are back for coloring part, and I really want you to understand that it's better to color small pieces first and only then go to big part. And yes, here you can see how those colors from temu work. I'll put all links in the description so you can see everything I use. I just realized it will be better if I start with details first and then go to face. Of course, yeah, I already told you that, but I know some people who, start coloring the same time when they see how person in tutorial starts, so I'm trying not to make you make my mistakes. But by the way, you need to find your own way, because there are people who will better start with small parts, and there are people who will better start with bigger parts. It depends on you, it depends on work you do. And just take a look at me, I'm making everything at the same time, but it's my style. Well, to be honest, it's real cold here and I want to eat, so I think you get the joke. I kinda feel like I'm funny, but if no, let me know in the comments. So here you can see how I'm applying black color. It can be the same colors from temu that I used, or you can use cake pots from Moon Creations, for example. I really like to use them for this type of work, but it depends on you. At the end, you'll see quite a lot of things I'm using, so you'll be able to choose. And of course, for this tutorial, we have to say thanks to RS Sage Girl, who asked me to create the whole tutorial on this look because I thought it will be only short form. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, and big thanks for loving this work. And even bigger thanks to, pushing me and giving me this magical push to make long videos again, because I'm a little bit stuck at this and I really want to create more tutorials for you. I have so many things I want to tell you, so many things to film, and I needed it, so big thanks. And we are here for my favorite part of work, because when you see how your flat works turns into something with shapes, when you can see this volume, I love this one. I love adding details. I love making the work look bold. But by the way, it's the hardest part too because like you don't really want to make something wrong because it will be so much harder to remove something here, to correct something. So be precise as much as you can be. And what comes after bold lines? I know that those are shadows, and I'll use this Halloween palette. I got it from Dacolor, and by the way, if you're into Dacolor beauty, I can share with you my discount code so you can have 20% off on your order if it's over 20 USD. Just add Rina20 as your discount code on Dacolor. And by the way, if you want to see Halloween kit from Dacolor, I've made shorts on this one. And by the way, please let me know if you want to see any look of mine in long form video. Because first of all, I want to make you happy and create for you. Well, I really love this look. I need to take a wig. While I look like this, I want to share with you my favorite SFX products. This Kryolan Aqua Color is my favorite one. I used it for quite a lot of looks, but I'm out of it, so I needed to find something new. Cake pots from Moon Creations. I use them quite a lot for stitches, for everything. I have white and black one. Mixing a liquid from Maran, I love this one. It can help you to create eyeliner from everything you want. And with this stuff, I created the colorful palette of my today's look. I got them from Temu and I really love the pigmentation of them. So if you're trying to find something cheap, I think I paid less than 10 euro for all this box. I like something like this. I think you can find something like this from Yukanbe, but be ready that you'll have to spend quite a lot of time washing this off. I also use hairsprays from Superdrug to color wigs and horns from time to time. If you have SFX products I need to try, let me know please.